Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon so you never miss any creative idea from us. Today video is going to be very special because we are going to explore some easy, beautiful and budget friendly handmade craft ideas that anyone can try at home, so stay with us till end. Crafting is not just a hobby, it is a way to express your creativity. With just simple things like paper, glue, jute, or recycled materials, you can create something amazing and unique. In today's video, we are making easy DIY craft ideas that are perfect for home decoration, gifts, or even selling online. You don't need expensive materials, just your imagination and a little bit of patience in enough. When you are create something beautiful with your own hands, it gives a special feeling of happiness and satisfaction. Every small piece of make shows your creativity and your efforts. Try this craft with your family and friends and make your bonding stronger. It is also a great activity for kids to improve creativity and focus. Remember, creativity has no limits. Even a simple bottle paper or thread can turn into a beautiful decoration piece if you use it the right way. We always believe that small ideas can bring big changes in your home and life. So keep experimenting and keep creating new designs. If you enjoy crafting, don't stop here. Patience, practice more, try new ideas, and improve your skills every day. Now, a special message for all my lovely viewers. Your support means everything to us. Every like, every comment and every subscribe help to grow our channel. If you are watching this video, don't forget to say done in the comment section so we can give you a heart. We are trying to bring more creative and more amazing ideas for you every day. So stay connected with us. Remember, small sport, big motivation. Your one subscribe, our big smile. Thank you so much for being part of creative family. So guys, this is today's video. Or you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Easy Christmas handmade craft ideas, DIY decoration at home. And you like my videos, you subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Christmas is all about sharing happiness, and handmade ornaments are a wonderful way to spread holiday cheer. Whatever displayed on Christmas tree, hang on walls or use as a gift decoration, they add warmth and beautiful everywhere. I hope this ornament craft inspire you to create something special in this holiday. Remember that creativity is no limits. With a little imagination and efforts, simple materials can be beautiful Christmas texture. Crafting will also provide a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Taking time to work on creative project, you can help reduce stress and bring a sense of accomplishment with the finished ornaments is displayed. Another benefit of DIY Christmas ornament is affordability. Instead of purchasing expensive decoration, you can create beautiful ornaments using simple materials that are easily available. Many people enjoy creating ornaments together with family members. If you can, it can become a fun holiday everywhere where everyone participate and share ideas. These moments often create wonderful memories that last of years. Handmade ornaments are unique because they are handmade, made with love and imagination. They help us express our creativity while making our home feel cozy and festive. The charm of handmade ornaments come from their individuality. Unlike store-bought decoration, every handmade piece tells its own story and adds character on the season. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful handmade craft ideas. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more creative content. We meet you in the next video.